वेलकम बैक डियर स्टूडेंट इन जे क्लासेज। अपने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स की एमसीक्यू सीरीज की जो नई शुरुआत चल रही है उसमें हम आगे चलते हुए तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेज सीरीज, ए चार्ज Q1 exerts some force on a second charge Q2. A charge Q3 is brought near, then force exerted by Q1 on Q2 will be. So we know the force between two charges is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. We know the Coulomb's force does not affected by the any third charge. So answer of this question option C, remain unchanged when a charge Q3 is brought near to this system. Next question, two identical conductors of copper and aluminium are placed in an identical electric field. The magnitude of induced charge in the aluminium will be. Meaning of identical means both are having same properties like mass, charge, area of the spheres. Okay, so let us consider two conductors. First is aluminium, second is copper. Copper and aluminium placed in identical electric field means the value of electric field and direction is same on both conductors of electric field, like the direction of electric field is this and intensity is also same. So we know the charging by induction, equal and opposite charge induced on the both objects. Okay, so according to charging by induction, the induced charge in the aluminium will be equal to that copper. So answer option D. Next question, when air is replaced by a dielectric medium of dielectric constant K, the maximum force of attraction between two charges separated by a distance. So you can solve this question because we already discussed about this question in previous series. So what is the answer? You can write in comment box. Okay, and solution for this, the force between two charges when placed in vacuum or air, so denoted by F naught, is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. But air is replaced by a dielectric medium, so force between two charges when placed in medium, then F naught by dielectric constant. Okay, so option decreases K times. Okay, so answer is option A. Next, two particles X and Y are 4 meter apart. X has a charge 2Q and Y has charge Q. The force of X on Y. So you can solve it. Force by X on Y is equal to K 2Q into Q upon 4 square, and force by Y on X is equal to small k 2Q capital Q 4 square. Means both charges having same force 2q, q and 4 meter distance between them. Then x exert on y and y exert on x. So both forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Then option of this question has the same magnitude as the force on y on x. So force on x on y is equal to force of y on x. Next question, the unit of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. So what is the answer of this question? You can learn the answer of this question directly, but we can solve it according to Coulomb's law. Force is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. This implies 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to f into r square upon q1 q2. So what is the SI unit of force? Newton. And what is the SI unit of distance? Meter. And charge? Coulomb. So you can write the Newton meter square per Coulomb square. So option D is the answer of this question. Next question. Electric intensity due to charged sphere at a point outside the sphere increases with. So let us consider a sphere having radius capital R, and at point P outside the sphere intensity E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. So which condition, when the electric field intensity due to charge sphere at a point outside the sphere increases? So we know the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. So what is the value of this constant? Write in comment box. And charge on the sphere is also constant. Constant, it means value of charge on this charge sphere is fixed, doesn't change. But distance, this can be vary. So what condition, when electric field intensity increases? When value of r square is decreases. So decreases, you can guess the option. Option D, decrease in square of distance from the center of sphere. But this option is not present here. So what is the answer of this question? Option C. During exam, option D is not mentioned in the options. So you can mark on the option C. Next question. This is your practice question. Solve it. We can discuss about this question in next series. तब तक आप इंतजार करें इसके आंसर का. Thank you for today class.